There are plenty of things in this world that sound a bit intimidating to do alone. And I think skiing is definitely on that list. The what ifs are endless. What if I get lost? What if I get injured? Isn't it going to be lonely eating by myself? Na 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 na. But last winter, I actually went on a ski trip to Zermatt, Switzerland for the first time, alone. It's something I was and still am so proud of, and I want to share that experience with you. So let's first start with packing. Trust me, don't overpack. It's not a fashion show, just bring the necessities. Otherwise, you will end up like me, struggling with bulky, heavy luggage all by myself. I really regretted bringing so much. I only ended up using about half to two-thirds of what I packed.
I'm in Switzerland.
Transportation. Since I don't drive, I also prioritize places with good public transport connections. I traveled from Paris all the way to Zermatt, which took about 7 hours by train. It was a long journey, but I found it quite convenient overall. Plus, I love taking trains, so it was a fun experience.
Guys, after like almost 8 hours, I finally arrived in Zermatt. Hi. Oh, the weather is so good right now. Okay, I booked a hostel here and now I'm gonna try to take the bus. Hopefully. Otherwise, I need to walk up the hill myself, which is not possible. Sorry. It's okay.
Just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want.
Guys, oh my god, I'm so tired. I look so tired right now. I literally just took a bus and then the bus is like, it still haven't arrived at my hostel. It's like on a hill and then I'm like with my luggage and my skis, and then even the bus, like you have to put your luggage on top of the store case and then put it down. It's like, oh my god, that's a lot of work. Okay, I need to keep walking. Talk to you guys later.
Accommodation. When going solo, I prioritize choosing ski resorts that offer affordable single-person accommodation nearby. Otherwise, it's just way too expensive. The thing is, I usually avoid staying at hostels because they are just not that comfortable, you know? Unless, of course, it's a dream spot like Zermatt, where even a hostel bed costs you 84 euros.
Deep within your eyes, I found a home. The love that we share can never grow. In your gaze, the world looks bright. Forever by your side. This town is white, serene and wide. You keep me warm and safe at night. No matter the season, we always bloom, 'cause you light up the
Next is the map. I usually study it first, especially when it's my first time at a resort. I find it important to get a general sense of direction and know where I want to go, since I have no one else to rely on but myself.
Hi guys, so I'm waiting for the bus to come right now. Look at this view. Today is gonna be a nice weather. I'm a bit annoyed right now because my internet doesn't seem to really work. I don't know, just for me, it felt unsafe when I don't have an internet access, but we'll see then. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take the bus and then get to the gondola station and then buy a lift ticket and then go up. Yeah.
I'm hushing the dog on the tin. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself.
La dernière tout à droite.
I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold. Bracing for news that I can't bear.
Wow, guys, this is incredibly beautiful.
I sing this softly myself.
Wow.
Tore up my jeans on the fence. Beside a road, I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly myself. I sing this softly myself. I'm waking up
The best part about skiing alone is the freedom to go and stop wherever I want without having to wait for others. It also allows me to focus entirely on practicing my techniques whenever I need to. Sure, it can get a bit lonely sometimes, but there are always ways to get through those moments. For instance, I love striking up conversations with strangers on the lift. If I'm lucky, I even get to ski with them for a bit, which is always a fun experience. In contrast, I find it much harder to meet new people when I'm with a group of friends. Also, if the weather is good, I prefer packing a light lunch and eating it right on the snow. It's a great way to avoid that lonely feeling of sitting alone in a bustling cafeteria. To be honest, navigating a huge resort like Zermatt all by myself for the first time was quite intimidating, but also exhilarating. I felt like a true adventurer venturing into the unknown.
Honestly, like it's quite scary to have to navigate this such a big resort myself. So I just have to keep looking at the map. And then like, I mean, it's my first time here, so I'm not familiar with this place at all. And it's so big, so complicated. I'm so afraid that I'll take the wrong route, but okay, I should be okay. Yeah, okay, let's go.
I found you now. Don't know why you keep letting me in. 'Cause I'll be terrified to let someone else win. Over my heart to say it out loud, that I need you always by my side.
Okay guys, I'm now gonna try a black slope in Zermatt. I'm quite nervous. I don't know if it's gonna be very icy or steep. I have no idea. It's number 62. Probably if I go slowly, Should be okay. Okay, safety first, and then yeah, I'm gonna try it out now. I'm a bit nervous, but let's go.
I have one rule when skiing alone. I always stay within the marked resort boundaries. The biggest risk of solo skiing is getting hurt with no one around to help. It's crucial to know your own level and limits so you don't put yourself in danger. And when I'm lost, I just ask someone. Google Map isn't going to help that much on the mountain. I love skiing with others, but I also cherish skiing solo. The freedom and the thrill of the unknown are hard to beat. I'm sure I'll be going on many more solo ski trips in the future.
This is just so cool. Oh my god, taking a train while skiing. The view is so beautiful.